In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a user story in Jira. A user story is essentially the smallest unit of work in the Agile framework. It's what drives the development team's efforts, ensuring that each task completed brings tangible business value. Understanding how to properly create a user story can significantly enhance your workflow and project outcomes. Let's jump right into the process of creating a user story in Jira. When you're on your sprint board, direct your attention to the Create button located at the top bar. This is your starting point for adding any new task or story in your project management tool. Clicking this will open up a new window where you can input the details of your user story. Once the window is open, one of the first things you'll need to do is change the work type to Story. This is crucial because Jira may default to other options like Task or Bug, and we are specifically focusing on user stories for this tutorial. Selecting the correct work type ensures that your story is categorized properly for reporting and tracking within your Agile board. With the work type set to Story, it's time to fill in the other details. At this stage, you're looking at a few key fields that need your attention. Start with the title, which should succinctly describe what the story entails. Think of this as the headline, capturing the essence of the work in a few words. Then move on to the description. This section allows you to provide more context about what needs to be done and why. Ideally, you should write it from the perspective of an end user, capturing the who, what, and why aspects of the task, encapsulating the purpose in phrases like, as a user, I want to, followed by the desired outcome. This helps your team understand the goal of the development from a user perspective. You'll also want to identify and tag any relevant team members or stakeholders who should be involved or informed about the user story. This ensures that everyone aligned with this particular feature or functionality is looped in from the start. Once all these details have been thoroughly filled out, the last step is to click the Create button once more. This final action adds your user story to the backlog, making it visible for prioritization and assignment during your planning sessions. And there you have it, a user story created successfully in Jira. By following these steps, you play a vital role in maintaining an efficient and value-driven workflow. Keep practicing this process to quickly adapt it into your daily routine, enhancing both your personal productivity and your team's effectiveness.